In this video, I will explain how to install SAP Cloud Connector. So you can go through this blog post for step-by-step procedure. So I have given everything, each and everything, all the steps. So it is very easy. You can also install this either in Windows or Linux. For the Linux, I have given the commands. And for starting the Cloud Connector also I have given the steps, and how to connect to SAP BTP also provided here, and configuring remote access also provided, and testing the connection, and also troubleshooting common issues. And you can just read this blog post and try to configure Cloud Connector. So to install Cloud Connector, there are prerequisites you need to install Java. So if you go to tools.hana.ondemand.com, if you click on this cloud, so there is a section called Cloud Connector, and before that SAP JVM also there. You have to download JVM version for your operating system. For Linux and Windows operating systems are given here. So I have already downloaded these two files, that is this one, and I have downloaded this one, and I kept both the files here. And Java I have extracted. So JVM I have extracted to this folder, and so there is Java version here, and you have to set the environment variables. To set environment variables, just right click on this PC, properties, advanced settings, environment variables, new, Java underscore home, put this, and also set the path, set it, and new path I am putting here, /bin, up to bin level you should put. Okay, and okay, click OK, and test the Java version. Go to cmd Java command has to be executed, and Java -version, just check the version of the Java. So this is 1.8.0_431. Okay, and Java is ready here. Now let us start the installation. Double click on SAP CC, click on next, and it will, by default it will be installed in SAP folder and SCC20. So SAP Cloud Connector, SCC is nothing but SAP Cloud Connector 2.0, that's why it is 20. And click on next, and port number is 8443. You can change this port to something else, and it is default port. If the port is conflicting with other programs, you can change it, and later on also you can modify using config.ini file. For now I am just leaving as it is. Click on next, and final, yeah, it detected the Java directory automatically, whatever I have set it in the home. So this is the one, and click on next, and start Cloud Connector 2.17.2 after finishing the setup. Yes, click on next, and installation is going on. Cloud Connector has been successfully installed. Okay, once it is installed, just enter the URL https://localhost : the default port is 8443. Okay, hit enter, and by default it shows that it is not secure because SSL certificate is not available. Click on advanced and click on proceed to localhost. Okay, Cloud Connector is opened, and you need to enter the username. Default username is administrator and the password is manage. So Cloud Connector dashboard will be opened in few seconds. User authentication is failed. Manage is the default password. Why it's not working? Okay, first time it will ask you to change the password, current password. So this is the default password. New password I am entering. Just save. It is a primary installation, so you can also have backup copy, so you can configure another cloud connector and make that cloud connector as backup for this primary installation. Click on save. Okay, Cloud Connector is ready, and this page is related to Cloud Connector administration. You can do your administration from here. So there are different options available, like Cloud to on-premise, Cloud to Cloud, and monitoring purpose, audits and log and trace files, security status, alerting, high availability, hardware metrics, monitor configuration. So that's all. I hope you understand how to install Cloud Connector. In my next videos, I will show you how to utilize this Cloud Connector for connecting on-premise system to SAP BTP account. That's all, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.